Hi guys, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I am back at you with another video. So today's video is a little review video because I got my Pinch Me box. So I got my Pinch Me box and basically it's just a box where you get free samples from leading brands. So like these are like brands that are really popular, and so basically what you do is you go onto their website and you sign up with your social media pages, and then you pick out your free samples and they send you your free samples, and all you have to do when you get these samples is talk about them and say that you're a happy pincher. So I've already kind of opened my box because I totally forgot about this box and did not know that they were still sending it. So I'm just gonna show you all what I got. So the first thing I pull out of the box is a HelloFresh gift card, and with this gift card it's a $50 gift card and I get $25 off my first 2 boxes, and you have to claim it within 30 days, which is cool or whatever. So HelloFresh is just a company that delivers fresh food to your doorstep so that you don't have to go to the farmer's market or to your local grocery store to try to get product that you're not really sure if it's fresh or not. So I think this is a pretty cool item. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the website and see what I can do about that, because that's awesome. And next out of the box is some almond butter. So I never had almond butter before, but it says you're supposed to knead it, so I'm gonna knead it to the best of my ability with my fingers, because I'm sure you don't want to just eat this. But it says that the ingredients for it is almonds, egg whites, dates, coconut oil, sea salt, and that's it. That's it. So that's really nice to have something that's, you know, all the ingredients, you can pronounce all the ingredients, and it's gluten-free for my gluten-free babies. Oh, it literally tells you on the front of it all like how much of everything it is. So it's 1 egg white, 18 almonds, half a date, no BS. So let's see, I think I kneaded it enough. I'm just gonna like squeeze a little bit on my finger and try it so I can let y'all know how it tastes, and if it's good I'm gonna put it on some bread or something. Oh, it is. It's really good. It tastes just like peanut butter, but it's almondy. Does that make sense? It tastes like almonds. So that's that. That was actually really good. I kind of wish I had some bread now so that I can eat it. But I think I got some crackers somewhere, child. So we gonna eat that a little bit. So the next thing I got is the clarifying charcoal with activated charcoal powder by Pacha Soap Company. And it says on the little baggie, it says gives livelihoods worldwide, ethically sourced ingredients, and it creates delightful experiences. So you all should probably check them out. It's pachasoap.com. and it says buy to give. So your Pacha purchase gives soap and clean water and livelihoods and opportunities. So definitely check this company out because it's definitely a really good company from what I'm reading. And they also said if you go to their website that you can meet the people whose lives you're influencing with this purchase. So definitely go check them out. No animal cruelty, no SLS. It looks like it says phthalates, parabens, or silicones, and it's handcrafted with love. And from what I can see in the ingredients, there are no things that you can't pronounce in here that you wouldn't know what they are, which is awesome because you know half the time we go buy stuff, child, it be some of everything in it and you don't know what it is, where it came from, how to pronounce it. I prefer to know what I'm putting on my skin because my skin is sensitive. So I'm gonna try this soap out and see, let you all know how it feels. So the charcoal, they scented it with pure essential oils. So it smells like real lemony. So I guess that's one of, let's see. Yeah, that's something they use. Something with a lemon smell. And it says premium natural ingredients and cruelty free. And then their little card says, we believe in cultivating prosperity in developing nations by using our profits to support transparent, ethical sourcing, clean water initiatives, hygiene education, and small business opportunities across the globe. Oh, and you can find this soap at your local Whole Foods market. So if you have a Whole Foods nearby and you would like to support this company and support the people that they support, go and buy this soap. So let me show y'all how the soap do on my skin. This is just a little black bar. It smells so freaking good though. So I have my bowl of water so I can wash my hands. I have my paper towels too, so just gonna dip my soap. It's very cooling. And that will be the eucalyptus that's in here. Yeah, I like it. I like the smell. I'll tell y'all how my hands feel after I rinse all the water off of it, or all the soap off. Ooh. Making a mess. Okay, so yeah, I brought my paper towels. And my hands feel yeah, they feel how I thought they would feel. Because of the charcoal in it, my hands feel not dry, but you can tell that they've been stripped of the oils. So I like it still because it smells really good, and I mean the charcoal is really good for removing your dead skin and stuff. So I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna enjoy every minute of it. So that's one. So those are my first 3, and then my last sample that I got from my Pinch Me box is a little deodorant by Native. So it's Native deodorant and it's coconut and vanilla scented. Now this got some stuff I can't pronounce, but It does have coconut oil and shea butter in it, and you know, a little fragrance. It's cruelty free. Hashtag go native. And they did send me a little card that says Native the deodorant with over 5,000 5-star reviews. It's aluminum free, paraben free, and it's at Target. So it says take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live, which is so true. Like, please, like, take care of yourselves, drink plenty of water, get plenty of exercise. I'm personally myself working on my fitness, which I'll talk to y'all more about in another video. But you have to take care of yourself. This is the only body you get, and you only have this one life to live in it. So definitely just be conscious of what you're putting into your body and how you're handling your body, you know? So because here's a little tip that I need y'all to know. Deodorant only helps fragrance wise. If you need something for sweat, you need an antiperspirant. So you need an antiperspirant / deodorant. So whenever you go shopping, definitely look at the both of those. Because people don't realize that they do two different things. I'm just saying. So I'm not actually going to put this under my arms, but it smells really good. It smells just like coconut oil and shea butter. I would know because I use that stuff in my hair all the time. And it's real soft. It actually like made my skin like a little moisturized after using that soap, which I'm happy I used it in that order. It didn't turn white and went on clear, which is also a good thing. And I love that they have on the side that it was made with love, so that makes me feel really special. But yeah, I would like, if you want like a deodorant, not an antiperspirant, but a deodorant that's natural and, you know, safe for your body, Native is the way to go. Like, my sample's really little, but it definitely is worth having this sample size. And again, you can find this at your local Target. Like, who hates Target? Nobody. So just saying, I love Target. Target is my place. I get in Target and start buying things that I didn't even go in Target for. So that's story for another time, y'all. Story for another time. But I absolutely love the samples that I got in my Pinch Me box. So if you all would like to get a Pinch Me box, go to www.pinchme.com. Follow them on Instagram, Twitter, and all of that good stuff, and apply for your Pinch Me box. Like, don't wait on it, do it now. Like, right now. Right now. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell your mama, your grandma, your auntie, your cousin, your brother, your sister to watch the videos. And follow me on all my social media pages, which will be listed down below. And I will see you in the next one. Deuces.